Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I am again with the look of the day. This is another fit and flare dress. It's kind of a little bit longer than what we like. However, it is flary. Like I said before, I do not really have too many of the minis that everybody loves, but I have ordered some, so hopefully they'll come in for like next week. And I'm wearing pigtails. Tell me how you like them. I've always worn pigtails before, but these are kind of like, I did them up a little bit with bangs. How do you guys like it? So yeah, and my shoes are pink suede. And I want to thank you guys as per usual for subscribing and for taking this journey with me as I go through the YouTube journey. I thank you. Please continue to subscribe and like, also comment, share. That would really help me out. And please also check out my other platforms. I do have links in my bio for your reference. And tell me how you like the dress. It's white, flower printed. The flower print. This is also Steinmart. The shoes are Christian Siriano. So you guys already know I love Christian Siriano and Steinmart. And yeah, so I think the ones that I ordered, they're about this height. This is what is ideally being requested. I think it matches my skin pretty good, my skin tone. And it does have the pockets. Like I told you guys before, I love pockets on a skirt or a dress. I also have a ton of cardigans with pockets. Although I live in Florida, I don't need a bunch of cardigans, but yeah, I came from Massachusetts, originally from California. So Massachusetts is very cold. I used to have a lot of stuff up there. And so yeah, just a little bit about myself. I think I've already shared so much stuff, but I am originally from California, like I said before, Central California. In my early 20s, I moved to Massachusetts, and then I stayed in Massachusetts until my mid 30s, and then I came here. And now I'm only 21. I can barely get into a club to get some liquor. But yeah, but out of the 3 states, Florida is by far my favorite. I love the weather here. I do miss the change of seasons. You know, fall and spring, those are my favorite. The change of colors, and I miss that. But I love Florida because I love being outside in my bikini, gardening. If I didn't have neighbors, I would be outside naked. I tell my husband that all the time. I would be outside naked. Maybe I should, so the neighbors could get privacy fences. Because I do have a privacy fence, so my neighbors, especially in the back, their lot is so much higher than mine that they can see right above over my fence. So it's like there's no fence at all. And they be watching. Oh yeah, they be watching. But yeah. Well, my dad used to say, what's good is to show, right? So I guess they're watching, So yeah, let me know. Do you guys like my bangs? Again, let me shout out to the different countries. Russia, France, England, Scotland, Croatia, Egypt, the good USA of America, Brazil, Spain. Did I say England? I think I have a lot in England. I appreciate all of you guys. I know there's language barriers. I hope you can translate this into your language, or you just watch me and you don't even understand what I'm saying. That makes it special, I guess. I do translate all the comments that I don't understand. I do translate them so I can learn, so I can know what you guys are saying. I'm kind of like learning more of I love Italian and French. So I'm learning a little bit more with the, I try like to guess to see how much of it I understand. And I do understand a lot, like I can read it, but I just can't speak it. But yeah, I'm gonna make another dress a video right after this one, because since I didn't post anything today other than this dress, I've been really busy with all the other platforms, putting content on them. So there's that. I have 3 pay-per-view. Is it 3? 3 of them. I have 3 of those, and then the other social medias. I think I have 4 other social medias, so I post on every one of them. So it's kind of a lot, so it takes me a long time, but that's not here nor there, nor is it your issue. But I'll make it up to you. I said I would stick to 2 videos a day, and I want to stick to that until you guys get bored of me. How many dresses does this woman have, right? I have a lot. But yeah, I'll be doing another one. If you guys want to check out any of my other social medias, like I said, there are links in the bio. And if you haven't subscribed, if you're only watching this, please do subscribe. And please do hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload. And comment, share. I really do appreciate you. If you want to ask me any questions, I will try to answer them either on the chat or here. You can ask me whatever. If you have suggestions on what you would like to see me do rather than this, I know you guys say bikini cleaning, bikini gardening. I hear you. I'm just trying to figure out a way to be able to do it. But yeah, all right. Well, I am gonna go ahead and go change and do the next one, a different look. I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I appreciate you guys more than you'll ever know. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next one.